Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be reviewing the all-new OKAI EB40 Stride. This year is designed to be a comfort cruiser / commuter bike with easy step through and a beautiful digital screen. Now together we'll be unboxing it as well as trying it out and seeing exactly what it's all about. So if you guys wanted your own, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this here's our packaging, this here's our box, shows a little bit about how the bike looks here on the front. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is everything that you get, so it does come pre-packaged like this, so you do have to go and build it together. Honestly, it's not complicated. So let's go ahead and unwrap everything and see what we got. So you do get this little box here of some reflectors. We have our front headlight. We have some screws. We get a tool kit, so you don't have to worry about purchasing your own tools to build this. Manual pump, which is always nice in terms of if you ever need to use it on the go. We get our left and right pedals, another set of screws, our charger, and our instruction manual, and lastly, our pin for our fork. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and cue up that montage and build ourselves an e-bike. Alright, so we're finally done, and overall the build process wasn't too difficult. Now, it does have a very nice looking design concept to it. So it has a very elegant feel. I love the step through it. And then one of the most key things about this is the screen itself. It has a richness to it that I can't really explain other than the fact that it looks like an actual analog clock. Now, you have your power button here on the top left, which is a red button. You have an M, up, down. You have your light here with also an LED ring on the back to kind of indicate it to you. So again, very nice rich flow. Now this features a 7-speed Shimano gearbox. So you can go up to 26 miles per hour, I believe, at pedal assist, and then 20 miles per hour using just strictly the throttle control. Now, one of the unique things about this is the key. Now, obviously, most of these e-bikes do come with a key. It's more designed to unlock the battery pack, which you could do in a matter of seconds, but this particular key has a little NFC, meaning you unlock it by simply touching it just like that. And there we go, it just turned on. Now if I hit the M button here, this will go ahead and turn on our headlight. Look at that, it's actually quite bright. You have your different speed modes by simply hitting up and down. So you're at 0, you have just straight pedal assist, 1, 2, 3, 3 speeds max. So 4 different modes total. And then of course, you know, you do get the app control. So let's go ahead and try that out next. So this here's our OKAI app. We're gonna go ahead and simply create an account here. All right, and now we allowed it to connect to it. And this shows all the different devices that they do sell. So they actually have a variety of them. So we'll be looking for the EB40 Stride. So I'm gonna click on search for a device, I'm gonna enable Bluetooth, and this will connect via Bluetooth. So we're approaching it, there we are. So I'm gonna click connect, and then I'll say connecting, and there you are. Look at this. So one thing it tells us is the battery life. You can go ahead and turn it on and turn it off by simply hitting the power button there. It just turned off. I can turn it back on again. I can turn on the headlight like this, turn off the headlight. I can change this different speed modes. So there's a walking mode, level 1, level 2, level 3. So it does have a location where it just shows the last known location. So this is great in terms of if you ever happen to lose your bike somehow. You have your ride history, your diagnostics, your ride settings, and your feedback. Under ride settings here, you can see you can change it from kilometers and miles per hour. You can change the dashboard. This is really cool. So you can pick and choose based on what is your current preference. So I can select this one here, and it'll update our little watch face right away. So that's actually very elegant and simple to use. I love that. Now you can add an NFC key, you can update it, and then just use a variety of different settings, which is really neat. And it'll kind of give you a little bit of feedback in terms of how many hours you rode, how many miles you've done, and stuff like that. So overall, very cool. So let's go ahead and take this thing outside next and try it out. All right, so we're outside here and this thing looks absolutely amazing in the light. I actually like this color a lot. It's almost like a sandy color. So moving our way from the front to the back, so you have these nice all-terrain vehicle tires, and then you have this nice looking metallic strip going throughout it. So a very sporty edge finish. On the top here, you have these leather handles. You have your 7-gear Shimano gearbox, your screen over here, which includes this beautiful digital screen right over here, as well as your light, and then your speed control, as well as your light and your power function. Now you have a bell here, and then your throttle, which is right here too. So overall, everything is right there in a very simple design concept. Now, the seat is nice and wide, so it's designed for comfort. So you just go ahead and sit on there like that, and then with the step through, no hassle at all. So the battery itself is incorporated into the bar here, so it's actually almost seamlessly displayed. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and take it for a ride and see what it's all about. Hands down, probably one of the smoothest e-bikes I've seen yet. It's very comfortable and easy to use. Now the throttle isn't probably the fastest e-bike we've seen, however it's probably one of the smoothest, which I would recommend, especially if you're looking for something on a daily commuter. Now if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. See you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.